just saw me put this wig on. This wig is the Zury is by Zury Sis. This wig is called Mill, and this wig is in the color number 1B. This is what the wig is gonna look like straight out the pack, but this wig, I'm happy to say, I have actually been wearing this wig for about a week now, and this is more of a show and tell of a week's worth of wear. I know that I review a lot, you guys know that I review a lot of wigs, and oftentimes I'm literally just popping them out the pack and giving you my opinion straight off the bat. This wig, I'm lucky enough to be able to give you a review after a week's worth of wearings. Then definitely keep on watching. This wig is awesome. It's about 8 inches long, maybe 10 inches long. This is a nice natural looking unit. This unit is very full. It's deceiving a little bit because on the stock card it doesn't necessarily look so, but it's definitely full. As the waves, like as you wear this wig, the waves do start to gain volume, and a lot of times wigs that have like a slightly yucky texture will do that. So you kind of have to beware, you know, as you wear it, the wig will start to get a little more and more puffy. This is synthetic hair, so if you're not into that larger look, you can always put a little bit of mousse on your unit and it will you know, bring that volume down a little bit and redefine your waves or your curls if that is what you choose. I personally like the wig with a little bit of volume. It is the winter time, and I have been wearing this wig with like a little beanie hat and my scarf set, and it's super cute. It like peeks out underneath the hat, and I just love that look. If I have a picture from Snapchat, I'll definitely insert it so you guys can see. But I think this unit is great for just throwing on and go, and that's why I've loved having this unit. I've literally used this unit like every time I'm about to run out the door. This is the unit that I will pick because it's just so easy to just throw on and you don't have to slay it. I decided not to show you guys this unit with baby hairs and all that because, like I said, I have been wearing this wig and I have not been wearing it with baby hairs. I literally just take a little bit of my own hairs out and run out the door, and I think it looks good like that. This is how I literally wear this wig. I know a lot of times, you know, us YouTubers come with our wigs slayed to the max on YouTube. But let's be honest, in real life, we're not laying our baby hairs just to run out to the grocery store. We're not slaying our wigs just to answer the door for the FedEx man. Like, for real, if I'm sitting here with my cornrows straight back and I hear the doorbell ring, this is how I'm coming to the door. With a little bit of my hair pulled out from my cornrows, and yeah, this is the look. So don't y'all like ever feel bad thinking that we walk around just slayed to the end of time. Like, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, and you will see the real deal JessTheDragoness on the daily. So I hope you guys like this wig. I definitely love this wig. I feel like this wig is a go-to style. As far as tangling and shedding, this wig has been shedding just a little bit, and it has been tangling in the back on me, but like I said, I've been wearing the wig with my scarf and hat set. I am in DC and it is cold, so it's just unavoidable that you will be wearing scarves and wool coats and it will rub the back of your hair. It just is what it is, you know. So that's just something that I'm willing to deal with though, because I'm not about to be cold. Alright, you guys, let me know what you guys think about Miss Mill. This unit is coming out from Zury, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.